Okay, so yeah, not through the bucket. Okay, no, it'd be better if you grab them by the tail and stick them through the top of the head like that. Yeah, perfect. Pick him up. Pick him up. Perfect. Now, right through here, Sam. Boom. Right in between the eyes. Right in. Look at you, vicious person. Sandy, come on, stick it in there. What are you banging his head for?
It's hard.
Go. Okay, go from the there. Keep going. Oh, you vicious person. Sandy, you're killing the damn. Oh.
I think maybe I got it. I don't know.
No, you got to stick it through his brain. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now you got him. Oh, you are so heartless. Oh, okay. Just leave the knife in there.
I don't know.
You are so heartless, Sandy. Unbelievable.
It's got spikes in its gills, though.
Okay, leave it be. Oh, that's a snapper, man. That's going to be delicious. Gourmet food on the Navicula. Sandy, that was mean what you just did. Did you think? Would you think that that's me? Like, do you think it's me?
Yes, I did enjoy it, but.
But you're capable of doing that to me. Sandy's got a fish on.
It's really stuck.
Okay, hold on. Bring it in, hon. Nice and easy. Okay. I slowed the boat down. Bring it on. Muscle that bitch in. Take your time. Take your time. Reel it in quicker. Rest. Okay. Now I think it's a dolphin. Yeah, it's a mahi. Okay. So it's a nice. Whoa. What kind of mahi is that? Okay, yeah, it's a mahi. I got the big one. Bring him up. Bring him up. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's thick, man. He's a beautiful fish. Okay, are we gonna let him go?
I just don't think we are going to be able to eat it.
I know. I don't want to do that either. So, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll let him go. Bring him up. Okay, hold on. Yeah, easy. Okay, you got to lift him up, hon. You got to go over. You got to. Okay. Hold on. Whoa, he's a monster. Okay, it's okay, Sand. Relax. Relax, here. We're gonna let you go. You just gotta relax. Relax. Sandy, you're not steering the boat.
Okay, I'm gonna put the reel down.
Whoa. Okay, here we go.
Wow, that's a big one. That was hard.
Okay, you're bleeding a little bit, but you're gonna be okay. Let me just get you out of here. Hold on. Hold on now. Easy. Easy, you're making a bloodbath here. Okay, let me get you out of here. There we go. Here it comes, kid. There you go. Okay, you're going right out the back. Got that on video. There you go. There you go, buddy.
Wow.
Good job.
That was big.
That was good. Okay. All right. We got another fish on the line. Now, this time, I can't slow it down because I'm under full sail. I'm doing 5.9 knots. I can slow it down a little bit if I turn into the wind, but I don't want to do that. And Sandy's bringing it in, so I don't give a shit if she has a hard time bringing it in. I got a boat coming straight at me. I'm just gonna hold my course and let Sandy do its thing. Probably a barracuda. We're in 15 feet, no, 10, 15, we're in 15 feet of water, 9 feet below the keel. And, oh, there it is there. Oh my God, it's not a barracuda, it's a fish. Oh boy, look at that, that's a nice fish. What the hell is that? Wow. Look at that. Oh, I think that's a keeper. What the hell is that? Oh my God. Here, take a picture.
A snapper?
Yeah, take a picture of that. We're keeping him. Look, you gotta go and face me though, huh? Wow, that is a nice fish. Wow, that's a beauty. We're gonna eat him. We'll eat him. You're gonna clean that.
I have to look in the book to see what kind of fish it is.
Yeah, because I don't have internet out here, and I can't tell you from my app. What is that? That's a beautiful eat. I'll tell you, that's gonna be a nice fish. Good catch on that one. Yeah, throw that overboard, hon. Throw it over. I don't want anybody to sit on it. Wow, that's a beauty, Sandy. Good at that. Nice, go. So Sandy's gonna chop him up, and we just really can't cook for the next 24 hours at least. So we'll see what we can do with them.
Yeah, not cooking like this.
No.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay,
So,
you want to get behind me? Is that it?
It's not quite dead yet.
Yeah.
So I want it to be dead.
Yeah.
And then,
Okay. So,
and then
I'll tell you what you do. If you want to kill him,
Yeah.
you grab the knife and stick it through his head. I think that's enough fish for today.
Yeah.
We're done, right?
Yeah.
That's a good, that's it. Beautiful. All right, guys, that was, we're putting our rods in. We just can't do this no more. We're like, the fish are jumping on the Navicula. They want to jump on. Pretty cool.
And my expert reeling in so it didn't get off.
You got that? You hear that? Yeah.
Yes, both of them. One on the Cuban reel and one on the fishing line.
All right.